And we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Fresh out today, this is called Impact Accelerator Bundle PLR Firesale. That's meaningless. What is meaningless is it's a huge amount of PLR content that could form an 8-part, so there's 8 different parts to it, 80-week, so 10 big pieces of content times 8 parts, 80-week leadership coaching program. And I like to start with the finish. The finish is, it's as I'm recording this, $27.13. So there's a ton. You can tell just from this picture, there's a ton of content. I'll try and give you a quick rundown, but the link is in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a pretty good description of what's in there in a general sense, like an 80-part or 80-week leadership coaching program, what makes it a big deal, what's included as far as inside each one of these PLR coaching courses. And I will just quickly run through, because we're looking at this, 8 different, and it'll give you the idea what it's all about. So 8 courses: influence the change, teach others how to create transformation in people's lives, leading the way, develop confident, value-driven leadership that motivates teams and clients, effective communication secrets, master clarity, connection, and confidence in every interaction, storytelling mastery, build influence through authentic narratives, the winning partnership, cultivate collaboration and synergy in business, leadership, and life, the trust factor, strengthen relationships through credibility, empathy, and emotional intelligence. Number 7 is driven by purpose, help others uncover what truly drives them and align it with their goals. And the last one, the 8th one, making a difference, inspire service, contribution, and meaningful impact on others. So each course has ebooks, training materials, professionally written content, ready to brand and publish. And they call modular flexibility. So you can teach this on a weekly, bi-weekly, or per module kind of basis. And there's high quality graphics and covers. You can see that. Instant digital delivery, 8 courses, 8 streams of income, 8 coaching courses, 8 profit paths, 1 fire sale. So I'm gonna go inside this because this big picture of all the craziness is just a picture of craziness. I'm gonna scream down near the bottom. Yeah, they go blah blah blah. It's great. Yeah, it's got lots of stuff. You get look at this. You get the idea of what's included, right? Tons of content, words, information, but not just words like, "Hi, I got 1,000 PLR books," which is dumb. These are actual courses. These are the kind of courses that you can put these 8 courses together, and that could be your business. And your massive investment, $27.13. Pretty cool. Everything's here, all the graphics, all the, the MP3, the audio, the pictures, obviously the words, the whole 9 yards. And I'm going to go down for emails to promote it, each one. So you really have 8 different businesses here for $27. And I'm wanting to get all the way down to the bottom to go here. So yeah, that's where I wanted to be. So blah, blah, blah. All this is $27.13, like I said. And I think down here, I'm at the bottom. Okay, so I wanted to go a little bit for, maybe right in here was enough. Here we go. So here, what's included? I'm going to ignore the stuff on the right. That's worth thousands for everything. $27.13. 80 research-backed lessons, 16 video shorts, 16 voiceovers, 8 pre-sale report for new leads. That's the report you're going to give away. 8 high-converting sales letter. That's the sales letter and the lead capture page beneath that. Turnkey affiliate center so that you can have other people sell your product. Again, you're going to have 8 products for $27. 72 banner graphics, 24 plug-and-play promo email swipe files. That's your emails to promote the about 3 for each product. 100 e-cover templates. You get the idea. It's not just a business in a box, 8 of them. Full private label. You can rebrand, resale, distribute, do whatever you want. And the whole thing is huge, $27.13. It's only on for 3.5 days. And I got the timer going. Today is the 12th of November. I'm going to cut it short. Click the link in the video description. Come to my site at marketingsharks.com. You can either click the product box at the top or scroll to the bottom to the link, and you click that, and away you go. You'll be at this page, and you can grab it for $27.13. Check it out. Fresh out today, Impact Accelerator Bundle, PLR Firesale. I don't know. Could you ask for anything more than 8 businesses in a box for $27? Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com.